Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. Let me introduce you to the new Ryco kit for the KRX 2-seater and 4-seater. What's unique about this kit is actually replacing the entire headlight assembly. Now you're like, why would we want to do that? Let me show you. So no holes to drill on this kit. The Ryco kit is going to activate like it does on all of the Ryco kits. Down will be left. You do have those indicator lights up on the dash letting you know the turn signals are on. But what's unique about this one? Oh yeah, that's what we like to see. Very clean, very factory looking. It pairs really well with those Sector 7 mirrors as you see there. The Ryco kit also ties into the stock tail lights around the backside, utilizing all of those bright LEDs. While we're back here, the Ryco kit also comes with your license plate mounting hardware, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. This is a KRX specific mount. 2-seater and 4-seater the same. Again, the part number on the kit is the same for the 2 and the 4-seater. You do have the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. Indicator lights there on the dash. Very nice. Looks super good. We do have these kits in stock. To release the 4-way hazard, simply go up or down with the lever. You can't push that red lever back in. Horn button integrated into the end of the lever. Depending on the location of the horn, you can change the tone of the horn. We got them in stock, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll also post up a link to our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports, where you can go and place your order online today. Have a great night, everybody.